Right here is a couple of end wrenches. What that is. That thing's huge. Missing a foot. Missing a leg. Yeah, how much is it?
$40.
40 bucks. What size is that? Huge. Looks like about a 12 or 14, 13. I'm at the Waycross, Georgia Flea Market. I had to run to Walmart. That's the closest Walmart to us. And I figured I had to stop at the flea market. It's Saturday and there's a bunch of people here. The points broke on it.
She had that deposit, and I said, "No, I'm gonna go ahead and see you." When she moved out, she didn't ask for no deposit.
A lot of tools here today. A lot of tools. How y'all doing?
$10.
Huh?
10.
10? I've got a bunch of Proto stuff. That's pretty good tools. Proto. Master locks. How much are they?
$3 a piece.
How much?
3.
$3 a piece? That sounds cheap. Master locks. How much are these?
$2.
How much?
2.
$2?
Yeah. I'm pulling out a shop.
How much is that one?
$2.
How much is that one?
All of them's $2.
All of them $2? What about that one?
All of them's $2.
All of them $2, no matter the size.
Right.
And that's 10. And what about these?
Them was $2.
$2 a piece too? 2, 4, 6, 8. How much is the oiler?
That's $10.
$10. What kind of cutters are those?
Then it's the metal.
Metal?
Yeah. They said they cut concrete wire.
How much is this?
That $10. Cleaning out a shop
You got a bunch more tools at home?
when I feel like messing with them.
Yeah.
I was just up here a couple of weeks ago and sold a lot of stuff.
How much is that one?
All of it's $10.
$10 each. This one don't have a name on it. It says USA.
They're Blue Point.
Huh?
They're Blue Point.
How much is that bag?
Electrician. What is it?
Bits, like screwdriver bits.
$5.
5. Do you remember the prices? I don't know if I'll remember. What brand is that?
That I don't know. That there is, it's a torque wrench.
Yep.
I'll let that go for 15.
15.
Yeah.
It's Proto also.
What all do you want? And I'll add it up.
All right, right there. You said 5. Start adding.
10.
That's 15.
$25.
Yep.
This is 10. 25.
And this was all $2 a piece. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22. 25 and 22. 25, 35, 45,
Just give me 45.
45.
Just take this, put it all back in here and take the tray.
All right.
Because I don't need it.
45. $45, and you said 15 for this. 45, 55, 60.
60.
Let's see. Give me a bargain on that since I'm spending so much. There's 6 of them.
60.
Would you sell them to me for 10? 10, so it's 70. I made a quick stop at Wild Bill's. I think that's an Indian chief ashtray made out of chalk. See what he wants for this. How much for the Indian?
$5.
All right. I think it holds an ashtray, but I'm not sure. You don't have any little ashtrays. I think I saw some next door. I'll look when I go over there. 10 on this. And before I got home, saw a yard sale, so I stopped by the yard sale. $20 on this pan.
Hello.
How you doing today?
I'm doing all right.
How about these gnats?
I can read you when you leave.
They worse this year, I think, than they've been in a while.
They said they were supposed to be bad. I don't think that
These smaller pans are $10 a piece, and the bigger ones are 20. I wonder what he's doing. It's $10 on the 3-notch lodge. Oh, that lid on the inside says made in Korea. And the Dutch oven matches, made in Korea. It's a good price, $10 on them plows. $3 each on these pickle buckets. They got $50 on the old bed frame. $20 on the lard tongs. $10 on the old bee smoker. That's a good price. $5 a piece on these made in the USA planes. $5 on the iron. How much is the windshield?
35.
35. What does it fit on?
I know that he has a Harley something. Hang on. Papa. Redneck uniform.
How much are the boots?
They're in bad shape, it's just because I have not wiped them off. I mean, the actual shape of the boot's fine. 20.
Back from the flea market, yard sale, and the thrift store. I stopped at 2 yard sales. The flea market over in Waycross, Georgia, and the thrift store in Nahunta, Wild Bill's. And I bought some pretty good merchandise. I didn't spend a whole lot of money, but I done pretty good. And I weren't even going out shopping. I just had to run to Walmart, and then that flea market, the Waycross flea market's right there by Walmart. So I couldn't go, there was a lot of people set up, so I couldn't go by without stopping. This one lady's the only person that had anything to me worth buying that I could resell. She was just wanting to get rid of it. But anyhow, let's take a closer look at this stuff and see what all I bought and how much it's worth. This lady had all these tools. She was making deals, I think. I paid $2 a piece for all these single pieces, for all these right here, $2 a piece for all those. And these are Proto crow's foots. They're in good condition. That's a 1 inch. And I looked these up. It looks like I could get up between $40 and $50 for the set. So that was pretty good for $2 a piece. And this is a snap-on one here. Flare nut, crow's foot, snap-on, 15/16. Looks like they're selling for about $35 on eBay. And this is a Proto 7/8, flare nut. It looks like it's about $15 on eBay. And these are flare nut wrenches. This is a Armstrong. It looks like they sell them for about 20 bucks. This is a Martin 7/8, made in the USA. Looks like it's about 20 bucks. And this is a Proto 6-inch adjustable wrench or crescent wrench. It looks like it's selling for about 10, 15 bucks. And these star sockets are Proto impacts. And I'm going to try to sell that set for like $20, $15 or $20. This is a big impact socket here, 1.5 inches. Looks like it's selling for $35 brand new. So I should be able to get 20 or 25 for that. And I bought these. She said they were Blue Point, but I don't think they are. Once I got them home and done some research. They're marked USA, is only kind of markings on them. The size in USA. Looks like I'm going to be able to get about $40 for those. And I bought all these nut drivers that goes into drills and all these bits for $5. I paid $5 for all that. I'm going to probably just sell them in a lot and sell these in a lot, and probably get $20 for those and maybe 15 or 20 for those just to sell them, get rid of them. I bought all these master locks. She sold them to me for $10. There's 6 of them. I'm going to try to get $30 for those. And I got these end wrenches from these end wrench sets. These are professional Protos. The black, these are the black ones. It looks like I'm going to be able to get between $65 and $85 a set for these. Especially for this one. It's got a couple more than this, but I mean, I paid $10 a piece for them. I think that's pretty good. And this is a Proto torque wrench. Paid her $15 for that, and looks like I can get about between $60 and $80 for it. Not too bad. Then I stopped by the thrift store. I got this chalk Indian here. He's an Indian chief. The ashtray's missing. I need to get me a glass ashtray in there, but I paid $5 for it. I'm probably going to take it to the antique mall and put about 20 or 25 on it. I'm going to try to find me an ashtray to go in it. And I bought this clock for $10. It's an 8-day key wind clock. And I had it hanging up, and it fell and broke the glass out of it. And I'm sad about that. But if this thing is in working condition, they sell for $85 on eBay. But I probably won't try to sell it on eBay. I may just take it to the antique mall and put about $30 on it, $35. And maybe it'll sell for that. That was the little bit of junk that I bought at the flea market, the yard sale, and the thrift store. I'm going to make pretty good money on this stuff right here. You just don't never know until you stop what you're going to find. But I do appreciate everybody for watching the videos. I thank everybody for all the comments that you leave. I do appreciate every one of you. God bless. I'll catch y'all in the next video.